It's a hot August day and I'm up on top of this roof. The temperature is well over 100 degrees. No breeze today. We are sealing up some roof curbs. If you look behind me, you can see that this roof has 15 different large roof curbs in it. Each one of these curbs is a potential leak hazard. This particular type of curb is not the preferred system. It requires us to cut openings in the roof later and to slide the curb underneath of the uphill panels over top of the downhill panels, and to try and get all of the sealant enclosures in there as we're doing that, and then fasten it down, caulk around the perimeter, and hope that everything seals perfectly well. It's a difficult process. What we much prefer to do is to have the curbs made to fit this standing seam roof, so that we don't have to cut, fit, put in closures. It's just made to fit with the module of the standing seams and made to wrap into the seams. And we can put that down as we install the roof. It's much faster, much more reliable. It doesn't rely nearly as much on cutting, patching, and putting in mastic. See, what happens here is that this leg of the curb is pushed up underneath of this uphill roof sheet, and the bottom leg of the curb is put on top of the downhill roof sheet, and it was cut to fit around these standing seams, and then a cap goes over top. The cap has to be put in with mastic and with caulking. Caulking or mastic has to go underneath of this lip all the way around the flange of the curb. And then we fasten it down with the screws and the neoprene washers, and then we put a bead of caulk around the perimeter. And the same on the uphill side. There's a closure that goes in the end of the standing seam here with mastic on top of it, and then we fasten it all down, and then we put caulking around everything to seal it up. So it does rely on caulking, mastic, and screws, and if there's a breach in any one of those things, we're going to get a drip inside, a leak inside. It's worth the time to take to get the right material, get the right products, and to put these curbs in as you're putting the roof in. You can save yourself a lot of headache and years worth of maintenance and years worth of having to rely on caulk and screws to make sure that they're watertight. I'm Bruno Reich. I'm the CEO of Reich Construction. I'm an architect and contractor. I design and build pre-engineered steel buildings across the United States. Call me about your next project.